When the power grid fails, the transition from a normal evening to complete darkness happens in mere seconds. Most people react the exact same way. They scramble through kitchen drawers looking for a flashlight that probably has dead batteries, and immediately start worrying about everything inside the refrigerator. The instinct is to think you need a massive, fuel-thirsty generator, but rushing out to buy expensive, heavy machinery is the wrong first step for basic survival. Instead, what you need is a blackout box. This is a centralized, affordable readiness system that you can build in under 30 minutes using items you probably already have around the house. Consolidating your outage essentials into a single, latched bin means that when the lights go out, you don't have to think. You know exactly where your tools are, allowing you to take immediate control of the situation. Step 1 of building your box focuses on the first quadrant: safe lighting and reliable device power. Skip the candles. Open flames are a severe fire hazard during an emergency. Your lighting triad should consist of a hands-free headlamp for moving around, a battery-operated lantern to illuminate a whole room, and a high-capacity lithium-ion power bank to keep your phones charged. This diagram shows a common mistake: storing spare batteries inside the devices. Over time, alkaline batteries slowly leak acid, destroying the internal metal contacts. To prevent this, keep spare batteries in a separate plastic organizer next to your devices. Your gear remains protected and ready. The second quadrant of the box secures your communications and offline information. If a major storm takes down local cell towers, relying entirely on your phone's data connection or social media for updates will leave you cut off from the outside world. You need a battery-powered NOAA weather radio for official alerts, paired with a printed emergency contact sheet listing local hospitals and designated family meeting points. Securing your own power and establishing a direct line to offline alerts ensures your household stays informed and connected through a multi-day blackout. The third quadrant of your blackout box tackles food preservation and basic medical needs. The most common mistake people make during a power failure is repeatedly opening the refrigerator door to check on their food, which instantly lets the cold air escape. This chart shows the FDA 4-hour fridge rule. If kept closed, perishables remain safe for 4 hours before entering a dangerous temperature zone. Afterward, rely on pantry items. The diagram now contrasts a dead electric can opener with a manual one, proving manual tools are essential. Next, pack a compact Blackout first aid kit. This gives you the basic supplies to handle minor injuries without needing to navigate a dark bathroom medicine cabinet. If anyone in your home relies on medications that require refrigeration, place a brightly colored sticky note on the outside of your blackout box. This serves as an immediate reminder to transfer those prescriptions to a cooler with ice packs. The fourth and final quadrant covers hygiene and morale. If a power outage affects the municipal water pumps, your taps will run dry. Heavy-duty wet wipes allow you to maintain personal hygiene, while contractor-grade trash bags provide a safe, leak-proof way to manage household waste. Finally, add a deck of playing cards or a small board game. Keeping your mind occupied without screens is a highly effective way to manage stress. Addressing both sanitation and entertainment proactively protects your family from illness while keeping the household calm during an extended lockdown. With these 4 quadrants filled, you have successfully assembled a comprehensive blackout box in less than 30 minutes. The goal now is accessibility. Keep the latched box out of your daily way, but easy to reach in the dark. Slide it under a bed or place it on the top shelf of a primary closet. While the rest of the neighborhood is stumbling around looking for batteries and worrying about the food in their fridge spoiling, you have light, information, and a clear plan of action. True preparedness is a calm, organized household system. It requires a few specific items stored in the right place, ready to deploy. To make this process even easier, comment the word blackout below. I will send you my free printable blackout box packing checklist along with a cheat sheet for the FDA 4-hour fridge rule to keep your household safe.